In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add assignees in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you're going to go to your top right on your profile and see if it's online. Then, choose a project that you wish to add assignees on. Let's choose one project for here, an example. Hmm. Let's have this. As you can see, if you go to the list view, right here, there is this assignees as a category. So if you click on this icon below, you can now add an assignee from the members that you have for this task. So for each task, you can add different assignees, including yourself. And as easy as that, you can now add assignees in ClickUp. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.